Morning. I'm having a slow morning. I am beat down. But I feel like I have to do this every single spring because everyone freaks out about the lubber hatch. See this little guy? He's just hanging out back there. He's hanging out on this tea olive tree. Saw another one over here somewhere. Oh, there he is. There's old baby lubber. These are actually really cool animals. I hear people saying you have to kill them and they're horrible, and I just don't buy it. I don't buy it. They're not bad. We hang out with them. They're actually really cool. They're calm. They're very slow moving. You can pick them up. You can hang out with them. When they're young, they're a little more skittish, but usually I can pick them up. See, he's walking away from me. The big ones, they just like walk right on your hand. They're really neat animals. But I think what people are afraid of is that sometimes they eat some leaves. They don't eat roots, and they don't eat like the heart of the plant. They just eat some leaves. So when you prune a plant back, it generally comes back stronger, thicker, fuller, and regenerates. These guys come through and they just prune for you. So they're not hurting anything. They're not killing your plants. They're pruning your plants. And then they go away. And I couldn't tell you what they eat here. I don't know. I don't see any damage anywhere. I look all the time because people are so crazy about the lubbers, and I'm always looking for damage, going, oh, here he comes, they're going to destroy everything. And then they just don't hurt anything. So I really highly encourage you, leave the lubbers alone. Plant some stuff for them. Just plant more stuff, and then they'll be happy. But if they eat some leaves, let them eat the leaves. They just eat foliage, and then they move on. We've had thousands of them here, and I really could not tell you what they've eaten because I haven't seen it. So please leave the lubbers. Let them do their thing. They're only eating ornamentals for the most part, which we don't really have a lot of. I don't know what they're eating here. We just don't see any damage. But when they do, just you watch the plant that they're eating, it will regenerate and come right back, usually healthier and stronger than before. So let those guys be. They're also a Florida native bug. They're part of our ecosystem. So when you kill part of our ecosystem, you're ultimately damaging other parts of the ecosystem, like the shrikes that eat those things, the real cool little birds that are around. So, I mean, I'm not by any means like, don't kill anything, but those bugs they're not a problem. And I'm sad to see people killing them when I think they're a cool part of a garden. Because when they're older and when they're adults, I literally like pet them. I'll just rub my finger right down their back, and they just sit there. They just hang out with me. They're cool. They're my little buddies. So leave the lubbers alone, please.